What's going on, guys? Back with another video. I want to show you guys how you guys can earn a ton of money or make a lot of money online with a new social media platform called Twolr. You guys need to check this out. Link will be in the description. Uh, so how you make money with this, I'll go ahead and log in real quick and I'll explain a little bit to you about how you can make money with this. Let's go ahead and log in, find my account. Hopefully that'll be it. All right, guys, we are logged in. We are logged in. Oh, I thought I had a background, but I didn't. Okay, I haven't been on here this long, but obviously, guys, right here, you earn what they call TC on here, which is Twilio coins, and you earn these coins for basically just being involved in the community as far as like liking, sharing, viewing posts. And if you create posts and they get views, uh, you can, you'll accumulate this TC like that. And there's an option to cash out, which is right here. Oh, another thing on here though. So everything is, you have to pay TC to unlock premium content. Like right here, it says buy 2 hour access to this content. So, I have 71.33 T2 TC, which 0.20 TC is not that much. So I'm gonna go ahead and unlock this to show you what it is. So the whole thing, let's see, then you got minus zero point 0.2 TC deducted from your total, okay? But you're able to cash out once you get to a minimum amount of 20,000 TC. You can cash out, and let's see how much that is right there. Let's put 20. Okay. Too many zeros in there. All right, so 20,000 TC equals $400, guys. So once you reach 20,000 TC, you can come here, cash out, and that'll be $400 cashed out at one time. Okay, guys. So, and let's see, here's the Get TC button, which is also premium content. So you got to unlock it. But guys, when you're uh, interacting with the site, viewing posts, like you can hit this random button and keep viewing posts and keep earning TC. Okay, so the more posts you guys post, or the more posts you guys view, the more TC obviously you're gonna get. But there's so much. There's a different way because you also get a referral link, guys. So you earn TC just by bringing people back to Twolr. Okay, you're also able to purchase just in case you want to, you know, unlock some type of premium content on here and you don't have enough, you can also purchase TC right here. But it gives you a list of everything of what you can earn TC for. So becoming a member for a year, you get 200 TC for new post. Um, so for new post, you get 2 TC or zero point 0.2 TC. It's like maybe 20 cents, I guess. Uh, not in cash term, I guess in TC term. But anyways, guys, there's a whole list of ways to earn TC on here. But my thing is, guys, which is cool because you have the activity or the community, right? So well, you got to buy access to it, but that's okay. We got plenty of TC to buy access, and like I said, we're also earning TC as we navigate the site and use the site. Uh, but if you post in here, guys, on the community feed, okay, every time your post gets viewed, you're gonna earn TC when somebody likes and shares it. See right here, I'm viewing posts just by scrolling down here, and I'm earning TC just just by scrolling down and viewing these posts. Okay, guys, so you see how easy it is to accumulate TC on here. As you see, look, I'm just scrolling and I'm earning TC as I'm viewing these posts, guys. So that's pretty cool. So you have the potential to actually make some money with this social platform. And if you guys, like being on social media and you like sharing content and sharing, your dinners and pictures of you and your family or what you're doing, just look at how much TC I just earned just by coming to the activity feed and scrolling, guys. Okay. And then I haven't even started liking anything yet. So you got way bad potential to earn a lot of TC on this website. Also, if you guys, the kicker is though, so you're earning TC when people view these posts. Whoever these posts are, they're earning TC right now just by me viewing them. I'm earning TC, they're earning TC. Okay. So the kicker is actually you can also create blog posts on Twoller, which is cool because you can't really do that on like a Facebook or a Twitter. They're just like more like these activity feeds right here, community feeds. But you can actually create a blog post on Twoller, which ends up on the home page uh, to start off with. And if you check out the home page, like these articles right here, these are considered blog posts. Okay, so if you get an article and you get it posted on here, it's going to automatically get views because it's on the home page. And then if you get it stuck in like this trending section over here, that's potentially more views it's going to get. And then the random section right here, if your article pops up on the random section, okay. And then the latest votes, if your article gets voted on, it's going to end up right here on the home page, okay, guys. So what makes this great is that if you can create, a well formatted article, here we go, have to pay TC. Everything, you have to use TC for everything on the website, guys, to unlock premium content. But like I said, you see how easy it was just to make the TC, so it's not that hard. So like if you come over here and you can create these blog posts, guys, and these blog posts you can add these tags, which are your keywords. And I have a group here on Twitter that goes in more depth about how to do keyword research and actually how to create these type of blog posts to get them to rank on Google. Everything is indexed on Twoller, guys. So there are articles on Twoller that are ranking on the homepage of Google, and I will show you some examples of what type of articles that you can post on Twoller that will get seen by the users, will rank in Google. So you're going to get that natural Google traffic coming, which is going to ultimately give you more TC to earn, and you're going to be making money that way as well. And what's cool about when you create the blog post on here, guys, you can create like these buy now buttons. So if you're an affiliate with some type of like product or something and you post it on Twoller and you do it the right way and you get it to rank, you're not only going to be making money off of your affiliate links, but then you're also going to be earning TC from Twoller that you can, cash out whenever you get to a certain amount. So this website and this social media platform does have a lot of potential, and I highly recommend it. So let's go. There was one more. Oh yeah, I wanted to show you how the let's check out a specific blog post here. Like let's check out this one right here. We'll just type in chicken real quick because I did an article on chicken and it's ranking well and it's getting views and I am earning off of that. Where are we at? Let's get to the. Something like this. Let's look at this one. Okay, so this is like an example of, and you see just right there for viewing this post, guys. I just earned, you know, zero, like 2 cents worth of TC. So just viewing post on here, sharing post, you're gonna earn a lot of TC. Okay, and right here you got a history of your TC, which you can also go to your profile and see a whole list of your TC history, what you've done earned, purchase of submission, see, and it shows you the minus at that too. But this is an example of a well, uh, you know, post that you can do on here. And if you check it out, let's see if this is the one that has, see all these, like right here, these links are affiliate links. So, and then, it can get voted on, which will make it end up on the home page again. Uh, this is not the one. I wanted to show you the ones with the buy now button. Like you can add, maybe it's on this one. Yeah, I think this one's pretty popular. See, here we go again, earning TC, guys. So like right down here, this is a well formatted blog post, guys. Okay, so you got affiliate links all through it. It's ranking on Google, okay, and it's getting views. So like right here, buy now button. You see this? These little type of, and this is considered a list, a blog post, but it's a list which you can add products the way it's set up. And I go way more in depth inside of my group if you guys are interested on Twoller, and I'll show you that right now. Where is a group I'm involved in over here? Groups right here. Go ahead and get access to that. This is the first time I logged on today. But right here, this marketing group right here, guys, if you go to groups on Twoller and join this marketing group, there is a lot of information on how to really do keyword research, set up these blog posts on Twoller so you can earn the most from your blog post, okay, guys? And if you guys come over here and just basically any one of these, you can type into this little search bar right here, just copy and paste, like say you want to do keyword research, copy and paste this, put this over here and hit search. And that's the video that's going to pop up right here, guys. See, keyword research 2020. That'll teach you how to do keyword research. Let's see. There's so much good stuff here in this group, guys, and I recommend joining this group over here on Twoller if you're interested in making money online, and you know, just from a lot of stuff like targeted blog posts and product research, how to get blog posts to rank in Google page 1, how to rank fast on Google, create unique content, product launch jacking, email list building with WP Response Pro, inside Twoller marketing, how to make money on YouTube without actually creating content, how to get free SSL certificates. There's so much good information over here, guys, to get you started on making money online. I highly recommend this social platform. It's new, so it is going to be up and coming. Might as well get in now, get in where you fit in, and start earning some TC and getting yourself some money. But I'll be over here. I am the admin of this website and this platform. You can catch me over here on YouTube, which is Money Matrix. Over here, I do have 2 accounts over here. I have my admin account and then my regular, you know, Money Matrix account as well, which I'm underneath the Money Matrix account right now, which I'm not. I'm more on it as the admin than Money Matrix, so I don't have that much TC accumulated up over here because I really don't post from this account. I post more from the admin account, but you guys, please come check out Twoller.com. I'll leave a link in the description. You know, it's a great community, and really the main thing about Twoller.com, guys, is freedom of speech. Like these other platforms are banning people for saying all type of stuff. I don't plan on doing none of that unless it, you know, it comes down to like maybe some kiddie porn type stuff or something. I do not tolerate anything like that on the website. But pretty much, if you want to say something, I'm not going to ban you for saying something that you feel, or, you know, like just the stupid stuff that these other social platforms are doing these days because they want to keep the people dumbed down and shut down. You know, it's not going down like that over on Twoller. So you guys come over here. It's a new platform, like I said. Earn some money while you're on your social media site, and there's also the apps, guys. We do have the desktop, and let's see, we have the apps on Google and Apple Store as well, guys. So right here, you can click on these down at the bottom if you prefer the apps. It's a lot easier to do the blog post part on the desktop because it's just a lot bigger, and you know, you can get well in depth into it, and you know, the editor and everything. But everything works both ways on the app and desktop and regular mobile as well, guys. So feel free to download those if you choose to. But yeah, I'd like to see you over here in the community. It's your community. It's a platform for the people to earn while they're using their social media accounts. And you know, if you're interested in anything else, just hit me up over here. I appreciate you guys. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Peace.